In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate smart art graphics in PowerPoint 365. Animating smart art can greatly enhance your presentation, making it more engaging and visually appealing. Whether you're aiming to highlight complex information or simply add a touch of dynamism, following these steps will help you achieve a polished and professional look. To get started, make sure you have PowerPoint open on your computer. If you haven't yet launched the application, go ahead and do so now. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to the presentation where you'd like to add animations. You might want to have a specific slide in mind where your smart art is located, ensuring a smooth and focused editing session. With your presentation open, locate the smart art graphic you wish to animate. This could be any existing diagram or visual structure you've previously inserted into your slide. Simply click on the smart art object to select it, which signals to PowerPoint that this is the element you're intending to customize. Selecting the smart art is key, as it allows you to access all the relevant editing options. Next, direct your attention to the top of the PowerPoint interface where you'll find several tabs, each offering different sets of tools. Here you want to click on the Animations tab. This tab houses all the animation options you'll need, transforming static visuals into lively components of your presentation. PowerPoint provides you with a variety of animation effects to choose from. You'll notice a drop-down menu displaying these options once you're in the Animations tab. Take a moment to browse through the available animations. Consider what effect best suits the message you're trying to convey with your smart art. Different animations can emphasize parts of your diagram differently, so it's worth exploring your choices to find the perfect match. After you've decided on an animation style, click on your preferred choice from the drop-down list. This simple action applies the animation to your selected smart art. The animation effect should now be visible in a preview, allowing you to see how it integrates with the rest of your content. If it's not quite right, don't worry, you're free to try different animations until you find the one that fits best. By following these steps, you've effectively added animations to your smart art graphic, enhancing the overall experience of your PowerPoint presentation. This method is not only useful for making your slides more aesthetically pleasing, but also helps in directing the audience's attention to key areas of your content. Remember, animation should be used purposefully, without overwhelming the viewer, and there you have it, a straightforward way to animate smart art in PowerPoint 365. Happy presenting!